In this table, the numbers in each row form an arithmetic sequence, reading from left to right. Similarly, the numbers in each column forms an arithmetic sequence reading from top to down. Okay, so what is the sum of the digits of the value of x? X is here. Okay, so in this case, we need to know what is arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is simply a sequence that each adjacent numbers keeps a same difference. For example, from 3 to 5, you change by 2. 5 to 7 by 2. 7 to 9 also change by 2. So the difference will be 2 in this case. In here, we don't know the difference. In this table, we don't know the difference, but we can just make some assumptions. If you can find the difference. For example, in this case, I said the difference of this row is D. So in that case, the next one of 26 will be 26 plus D. So the previous one will be 26 minus D. And then because of the change is same, 26 minus 2D. Now x will be equals 26 minus 3D. Okay, it's just a matter of we're looking for this difference based on the rules of each column and each row arithmetic sequence. So they have to satisfy some restrictions. So in this case, we can start from the closest the number for that we can discuss. Yeah, look at here, this column. So the 40 is closest to the number with D's. So here, so we can set, okay, so this column has a common difference D1. In this case, this will be the 40 plus D1. Okay. The next, so 26 minus D, then will be equals to 40 plus D1 plus another D1. Okay, we can write this as 2D1, okay, equals negative 14 minus D. So D1 will be equals negative 7 minus D over 2. So we write it down, equals to negative 7 minus D over 2. So here we can set some variables because the space is too small. So M, N, and O. Okay, so we know that the M, look at the M. So from the column view, from this column view, okay, so we can see that M will be equals to 40 minus D1, which will be equals to 47 plus D over 2 by using a D1 of this number, okay? And N. Okay, now we move to the view of this row. So we have this common difference called D2, right? So the D2 is D2 is simply the M minus 43, the previous version, the difference of these two items. That will be equals to 4 plus D over 2, okay? 4 plus D over 2. Okay. So when we know the D2, right, we can look at the number, we can look at this number. This is the key right now. So the O will be equals to from 43 you jump 1D, 2D, and 3D. So 3 difference. O will be equals to 43 plus 3 times D2. So that will be equals to 43 plus 3 times D2 equals to 4 plus d over 2. 4 plus d over 2. That will be equals to 55 plus 3 over 2d. Okay, that's a very important thing. So the O will be 55 plus this. Now look at this column. So this column, we know O, right? So if we set this one, the difference of this column is D3. So D3 will be equals to O minus 18, so minus previous term. So that is simply is equals to 37 plus 3 over 2d. So that will be the D3. Now we can absolutely relate it to all the numbers in this table. So from here you can see that from 18, right, with the difference of D3, we jump 1, we add 1, 2, 3, 4. So we add 4 difference, we get to the last number. So in this case, we can at least this. So the 26 plus d, okay, which will be this number, is simply equals to 18, the fourth term, plus 4d3. And it will be equals to 18 plus 4 times 37 plus 3 times over 2d. Okay, so now we can keep calculating the number 18 plus, so we just distributed these numbers into the bracket. Okay, 48 plus, okay, so we can have this to 6d. Okay, now we combine the d's and the numbers, so 5d will be equals to negative 140. So d will be equals to negative 140 over 5. So which will be equals to negative 28. Okay, so that way we find out the d, negative 28. Here d equals to negative 28. Now substitute into this result. Okay, so x, so we write it on the up. So x will be equals to 26 minus 3d, and that will be equals to 26 minus 3 times negative 28. Okay, so that will be 26 plus 484 and equals to 110. So x equals 110. The question asking the sum of the digits of the value of x, right? So the sum of the digits, so we have 3 digits, 1, 1, 0. So the sum of the digits is simply will be 1 plus 0 equals to 2. Okay, now look at the answer B, 2. That's it.